So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you Android 13 Developer Preview 1. And if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So before we check out the new features and changes on this new Android OS, the first thing I want to share with you is Android actually told us not to install this OS update on our daily drivers in case maybe you use your phones every day. You just don't have to install this new OS, because once you're going to install it, it's going to wipe everything off your device, and then you need to back up before you are going to install it in the case you want to do it. But the advice is you don't try to install it, because it's going to slow your phone and actually have some bugs and all, make your phone heat up and all. So that is what you need to bear in mind before you know. So the first thing I noticed when I installed this OS is the wallpapers and style. So when I just press hold on my screen like this and I check out right here, this actually looks like the Android L feature we had in my previous video I created on this channel, and you can just install your last 5 wallpapers on your device right away from your home screen, and then you can tap on this one to change your wallpaper, and that is pretty much very cool. I think this is one thing that was missing in the stable Android 12 and is now present in Android 13 Developer Preview 1 and also on Android 12L, and that is basically very cool. So that is one thing I just noticed when I installed this new OS. And let's check out the other features too we found out when we installed this Android 13 OS right here. Again, the improved animation on the Android 12L was actually present right here. So when you check out right here, you can see that the animation is very cool, and it's basically very nice. When you check out right here, the Android 12L had this animation, and it's also present in Android 13 Developer Preview 1. So this is one of the changes too I noticed when I installed this OS right here on this device. I noticed was the ability to just turn picture-in-picture of Android 12L right away here with a toggle on the screen is also present right here. So in case maybe you want to just turn picture-in-picture on this, what you need to do is you're gonna get this toggle right away on the screen like this, and then you open an app and then you tap on it like this, and the picture-in-picture is actually just going to fix itself right here. And that is pretty much very cool. So this was present on Android 12L and it's now present in Android 13 Preview 1, and you can check out the lines too right here. The split screen is actually very cool. It's very fine, and that is basically very cool. So let's check out the next feature we also found in this new OS. So in this new OS too, you can now allow guests to install apps they feel like they want to install when they are given the chance to use a device. So in case maybe we want to add a guest, let me just remove this guest, and in case we want to add a guest, we tap on add guest. We are going to be able to just choose any app we installed from our Play Store, and then we can just allow users who are using the guest page to just get a chance to use this application. And one thing I like right here too is it's actually going to make them re-signing, and your data is actually not going to be in the guest part when they switch their phone or they switch the device to the guest part. So you're going to see that everything is going to ask us to just sign in again, and that is basically very cool. So this is one of the changes I also found when I just installed this new OS on our device. So let's check out the next feature too. So another thing I also found in this new OS is when you put your phone on silence, everything is silent now. You cannot get even the haptics on your device, and that is one thing I also saw right here. I don't know if this is a feature people are going to like. So in case maybe the phone is on silent like this, we go to haptics, sound and haptics, we are going to see that they are not going to permit us to get the sound and haptics option right here. So we are going to tap on this, and you are going to tell us it's not available. You can see right away from here. But when I just put my phone back to ring or vibration, you're going to see that this is going to work right away, and we are going to get our haptics back. But in case maybe I just turn it back to silence, you're going to see it's going to turn right away like this, and that is one of the changes I also noticed. I don't know if there's one of the features people are going to like, but when you turn it off like this, when you turn the phone to silence, everything is silent. You don't get the haptics, you don't get the back taps and everything when you are trying to just operate your phone, and people don't really like it, because the haptics is one of the good things or one of the best features people like on this device. So I don't think a lot of people are going to side on Google with this one. So in case maybe you have any problems or your thoughts about this, just let me know in the comment section. Probably Google might be watching, and then you'll just listen to you. So let's check out the next feature. Next thing I noticed too was within the settings, when you go to the system and then you check out the Android OS name, you're going to see that this new Android OS is named Android Tiramisu. You can check out right here, you can see Android version Tiramisu, and that means this code name is different from the previous ones we had, because every time Android releases an Android version, it has a code name, and this one is Tiramisu. So that is one of the changes I also noticed. And also now if you go to quick tap in your settings too, you're going to see that quick tap has new option right here where you're going to be able to toggle to quick tap to turn on flashlights. You can check out right here. So right now let me just leave and then quick tap, and then it's going to turn on flashlight right here. So you can see it turn on flashlight, and that's pretty much very cool. So that is the changes I also noticed right here on back tap. And also one thing which Android also promised us is the themed icon actually supporting other third-party apps right here. So in case maybe in the later versions or later previews that is going to be released, we are going to highlight it in case maybe the themed icon is being released. So these are the new changes I found on Android 12 developer preview 1, and in case maybe I find any new changes, I'm just going to let you guys know. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.